I'll tell you what, I liked my little griddle. Worked really well. All right. This is a really nice shelter. I'm curious to see how it performs in bad weather though. Maybe I can come back during a snowstorm and see how this shelter does. All right. All right, let's see if the car starts. When it gets really cold, my K-truck freezes up and won't start. But it's a bit of a ways home, so hopefully it'll start up on me. Ah, sure is nice when things work. Yeah, you definitely want to make sure that car is working before you put your fire out. Gotta work on my backing up.